All my dear students, in this particular session we are going to discuss the questions for BARC 2023 from the subject Engineering Mathematics. So students, I have brought few similar questions so that you would be able to get an idea that what kind of questions or what type of questions will be the part of BARC 2023. So stay tuned for the best of the questions and yes, the methodology. I just need your response. This session is meant for BARC 2023's Engineering Mathematics. So we are moving ahead. This is the brief introduction about me. I have been teaching in this domain since many years. My name is Ankit Joshi, and yes, my subjects of interest are Engineering Mathematics, Signals and System, and Analog Circuits. And I am from electronics background but teaching Engineering Mathematics for long years. Students, as you can see on the screen, GATE 2023, our ranks, 62 ranks under 50. You can see All India rank 5 from Computer Science, Dhruv, All India rank 1, Production and Industrial Engineering, All India rank 4, Instrumentation. Yes. So ESC Mains 2023, we are starting a practice course that will be starting from 3rd of April. So you can take the advantage of the same. Chinmay Roy, कैसे हैं बेटा? Presenting Ground Zero series for GATE and ESC 2024 for civil and mechanical, that is already started from 27th of Feb. So here comes your first question. So students, in BARC or in similar exams like BARC, the questions in engineering mathematics are easier, but there will be more number of questions. Number two, there will be questions from those areas as well what you have covered in your school days, that is 11th and 12th. So students, they are asking for 2 into 3, 6k, 6k minus 4k is 2k, and minus 12, 2 into minus 6 is minus 12, minus 1 is minus 13, minus 13 plus 9 कितना हो जाएगा? Minus 4. K will be equal to 2. K will be equal to, so we can say that option C is the correct one. So concurrent lines means passing through one common point. If these three lines are common point, then this is the condition to check concurrency. Let's proceed for the next. Eigenvalues of minus 5 to 2 minus 2. How we are going to check the eigenvalues? Student, it is quite simple. This can be done in multiple ways. I am just following the conventional approach. I am just subtracting the lambda from the diagonal elements. So minus 5 minus lambda, then we have 2, then 2, and minus 2 minus lambda. And this determinant should be equated to 0. Simplify this. So minus 5 minus lambda, and minus 2 minus lambda. So ultimately it is lambda plus 5 and lambda plus 2. Minus 4 equal to 0. हाँ भाई, what is the answer? Lambda square. Then we have 5 lambda plus 2 lambda, that is 7 lambda. Then we have 10 minus 4, that is 6. तो प्यारे बच्चों, lambda plus 1 and lambda plus 6, these are the factors. One root is minus 1 and another root is minus 6. So minus 1 and minus 6, that is option A is the correct answer. Shekhar Sharma, Irolex, Kiran Kumar, Brain Stuff, Roshan Kumar, Shabash, well done. Let's move to the next. I want to calculate the value of this determinant. So students, in this is column C1, column C2, and this is column C3. What I am suggesting, C1 tending to, not C1 tending, C2 tending to C2 plus C3 कर लीजिए, so you will get this determinant. 1 1 1, and you will get a plus b plus c, a plus b plus c. So once again, a plus b plus c, column C3 as it is, b plus c, c plus a, and a plus b. So students, if you take a plus b plus c common from the second column, then you will get a plus b plus c out, but first and second column will be 1 1 1. So if two columns are same, then the result will be 0. So answer for this is option A. Answer for this will be option A. Is that clear? Just to see this. The inverse of the matrix. We have to find out the inverse of this matrix. So students, they have given you a matrix. We have to find out the inverse. So inverse is adjoint upon determinant. Now what is the determinant? Find out the determinant. So cos theta into cos theta, cos square theta. Then sin theta into minus sin theta, minus sin square theta. So minus minus plus. Determinant of A will be 1. So determinant A is 1. What is adjoint? Just interchange the principal diagonal elements and interchange the sign. Change the sign of the other two elements. So minus sin theta, and this will become plus sin theta. Cos theta minus sin theta, and sin theta cos theta. Option D is the correct one. Yes. Given that matrix A is given as 1 0 0 0 2 0 and 0 0 3. We have to find out a cube minus 6a square plus 11a minus 10i. Okay. So how you are going to proceed this? See here. So I will be just finding out the characteristic equation for this. 1 minus lambda 0 0, then 0, 2 minus lambda 0, then what? 2 minus lambda. Characteristic equation will be simply 1 minus lambda, 2 minus lambda, and 3 minus lambda. Correct? Multiply कर दो इसको. Multiply this. So what you will get? Lambda minus 1 and lambda minus 2. And this can be written as lambda minus. So ultimately I have taken minus minus plus minus in common on the right hand side. Lambda square Then what? Minus 3 lambda plus 2. This is further multiplied by lambda minus 3. Lambda into lambda square will be lambda cube. Then we have minus 3 lambda square and minus 3 lambda square. Then further we have 2 lambda and 9 lambda, that will be 11 lambda and minus 6. So student, by Cayley-Hamilton theorem, if I replace lambda by a, I will be getting a cube minus 6a square plus 11a minus 6i equal to 0. That is null matrix. Now as per this equation, I am having a cube minus 6a square plus 11a. Till this everything is fine. I am having minus 6i and here I am having minus 10i. So I am just adding minus 4i both sides. So when I add minus 4i both sides, on the right hand side also I am getting minus 4i. Option C is the correct answer. Option C is the correct answer. Is that clear? Chalo, come on, answer this question. Everyone should answer. If every minor of order R of a matrix A is 0, order R के सभी minor 0 है, then what is the rank of A? So rank of A will be less than the order. Every minor of order R, order is given as R, okay. What is being given? Every minor of order R of a matrix A. So rank of A will be less than R, less than the order R. Consistency check. Question based on consistency check. The system of equations x plus y plus z equal to 6, 2x plus y plus z equal to 7, x plus 2y plus z equal to 8. So what kind of solution is there? Just you need to find out. So students, I will be writing the augmented matrix. So 1, 1, 1, then 2, 1, 1, 7. Two, 1, 8. Then what? I'm just doing some elementary transformations. R2 tending to R2 minus 2R1 and R3 tending to R3 minus R. You will get equivalent to C. R1 no change. R1 में कोई change नहीं. 1, 1, 1. R2 there is a change. R2 minus 2 R1. So 2 minus 2 will be 0. 1 minus 2 will be minus 1. Again 1 minus 2 will be minus 1. 7 minus 12 will be minus 5. Then R3 minus R1. 0. 1. 8 minus 6. Now once again I want this position to be 0. ये position हमें 0 चाहिए. What I am doing? R3 tending to R3 plus R2. Then 0 addition ना, तो 0 0 minus 1. 2 minus 5 कितना होगा? Minus 3. So students, ultimately I have got the echelon form. So I can say that rank of A, that is rank of this matrix, is 3. Rank of overall matrix C will be augmented matrix is also 3. And yes, number of variables are also 3. So unique solution will be there. You get unique solution. Rank of C. Then we have rank of A. Number of variables are 3. So R equal to rho equal to n. Corresponds to what? Unique solution. Comfortable with this? So students, one point I want to add from my side, that the questions appearing in exams like BARC, ISRO, DRDO, especially in engineering mathematics, are the easier questions, and students, uh, there will be more number of questions that has to be solved in lesser amount of time as compared to the gate. So questions will be a bit easier, but you need to be a bit quicker in attempting this question. Come on. The eigenvalues of this matrix, cos alpha, sin alpha, sin alpha, cos alpha. Everyone should answer this. The eigenvalues of this matrix, how we are going to approve. Characteristic equation. A minus lambda I determinant equal to 0. Cos alpha minus lambda, sin alpha as it is, then again sin alpha, and cos alpha minus. You can solve and find out the eigenvalues, but there is one more way by which you can check. Sum of the eigenvalues should be equal to trace. So here trace is 2 cos alpha. Okay, so you cannot get this trace by option A, option B. That is possible only with option D. Check करो भाई. Trace is equal to 2 cos alpha. What about the determinant? Determinant is equal to the product of eigenvalues. What is the determinant? Cos square alpha minus sin square alpha. That is cos 2 alpha. And that is possible with this. So cos alpha plus sin alpha multiplied by cos alpha minus sin alpha will get cos 2 alpha. So option D will be the correct answer. Solution of d square plus 4 into y equal to sin square. So students, for this equation, first of all, we will be working on finding out CF. CF can be obtained by the auxiliary equation m square plus 4 equal to 0. Here the roots are 0 plus minus 2y. So CF will be e raised to alpha x given cos beta x c2 sin beta. In place of c1 and c2, they would have used a and b. So c1 a cos 2x and b sin 2x. You can check here. CF is same everywhere. Just you need to find out the pi. So to find pi, what you need to do? 1 upon d square plus 4. Sin square x can be written as 1 minus cos 2x by 2. Correct? By 2 is out. This 1 can be written as e raised to 0x. In the first part, we are applying case 1, and in the second part, we have to apply case 2. So case 1, replace d by 0, d by a. So 1 by 4, first term. Then when you, for case 2, just replace d square by minus a square. Here minus a square is minus 4. So minus 4 plus 4, this case gets failed. You have to multiply by x and take the derivative of the denominator. One by d means integration. Integration of cos 2x is sin 2x by 2. So ultimately it is 1 by 8 minus x sin 2x by 8. 1 minus x sin 2x. Option D is the correct answer. 1 by 8 है minus x sin 2x by 8, correct? Option. चलिए, everyone should respond. Cos theta. Cos theta is e raised to I theta plus e raised to minus I theta on 2. Option C is the correct. Yes, very good. Yes, the solution of this equation, d square plus 16. So a cos 4x, b sin 4x, everywhere it is same. CF is same everywhere, just you need to find PI. Now see here cos ax, value of a is 4, a square is 16, minus a square is minus 16. Replace d square by minus a square, you will get 0 in the denominator. Case 2 fails. Multiply by x here, take the derivative of the denominator, x by 2, 1 upon d means integration, 1 upon d means integration. Integration of cos 4x is sin 4x by 4, x by 8 sin 4x. Option B. Come on, everyone should answer this. Find the equation of a straight line passing through the point minus 1 comma 2 and making equal intercepts on the coordinate. Suppose this is the line. So line is making equal intercept with coordinate axis. X upon a plus y upon a equal to 1. This is the equation of line, but this is passing through minus 1 comma 2. This is 1, this is minus 1, y is 2, a is 1. Ultimately, finally you are getting x, y equal to 1. C is the correct answer. See this. The differential equation satisfying this solution So in this question, they have given you the solution, but they are asking you the corresponding differential equation. Okay, students, I am giving you one trick. So here m1 is 3 and m2 is 2. So auxiliary equation is m minus 3 m minus 2 equal to now in place of m, just replace m by dy by dx. So d2y by dx is minus 5 times dy by dx plus 6y equal to 0. Constant term will be multiplied by dependent variable. d2y by dx is minus 5 dy by equal to 0. Option D is the correct answer. See this. For x lying between minus infinity to infinity and y lying between minus 1 to plus 1, the partial differential equation. Just in my Roy is the answer. So students, you know the concept of b square minus 4ac for the second degree equation. So here value of a is x square, b is absent, c is 1 minus y. Now see, x square is positive, y is less than 1, its square will be less than 1. So 1 minus a value less than 1, this is also positive, positive, positive and positive, but this is negative. Ultimately b square minus 4ac is negative. We have the concept EPH. If you are having this value negative, then the solution will be elliptic. For elliptic, this is 0, this is less than 0, this is greater than 0. So b square minus 4ac less than 0 means elliptic solution, b square minus 4ac equal to 0 means parabolic solution, and b square minus 4ac greater than 0 means hyperbolic solution. EPH, just remember this flow. EPH, if Laplace transform of this function. First of all, we'll write Laplace of sine omega t. Laplace of sine omega t will be omega upon square plus omega square, and e raised to theta t. This s will be replaced by s minus. Option B. Option B is the correct. See this. We have one rule, one property, beta functions property. 0 to pi by 2 sin p theta cos raised to q theta d theta. This is actually 1 by 2 beta function of p plus 1 by 2 comma q plus 1. So in this question, p is 6, and since cosine term is absent, so q is 0. Correct? 1 by 2 beta function of p plus 1 by 2, 6 plus 1, 7 by 2, q plus 1 by 2, 0 plus 1 by 2. Now you have to simplify this. Beta m comma n, gamma m, there can be questions, Shrikant. Laplace transform is not the asset of any electrical or electronics engineering. Laplace transform is available for frequency domain analysis for all the branches of engineering. Okay. gamma 1 by 2 and add this. So 7 by 2 plus 1 by 2. 7 by 2 plus 1 by 2. 8 by 2, that is 4. So 1 by 2. Gamma 7 by 2. 5 by 2. By 2. 1 by 2 root 5. And gamma 1 by 2 is root 5. In divide. Gamma 4 is factorial 3, that is 6. Now see it. So how many 2s are there? कितने 2 है भाई? 1 2 3 4 5. 5 by 32. 5. By 30. How to solve this? Similar question. Here P is 0 and Q is 3. Limit should be 0 to pi by 2 to apply that rule. 1 by 2 beta function of P plus 1 by 2. Q plus 1 by 2. 3 plus 1 4. 4 by 2 is 2. Gamma 1 by 2. Gamma 2. Upon gamma addition of these two, 5 by 2. Gamma 1 by 2 is root 5. Gamma 2 factorial 1. Gamma 2 means factorial 1, which is gamma 5 by 2. 3 by 2. 1 by 2 root 5. I believe 2 by 3 is the answer, right? 2 by 3. Just a moment. Now, what about this question? Most probably, this would be the last question in this session. Come on. A circle C2 is concentric with this circle. So, students, this is the given circle. Concentric means the center of this circle C1 is same as that of C2. Find out the center of circle C1. So, 2G minus 4. 2F is 6. T will be minus 2. What about the constant term C? C is minus 2. Okay, what is the radius? What is the center here? Center is minus G minus F. Center is minus G minus F. Remember, should be comma minus 3. And radius G square minus 2 square is 4. Square is 3 square 9 minus C. Minus of minus 12 5. So what they are saying, the radius of circle C2 is twice to that of C1. Very nice. So circle C2's equation, center is same, x minus 2 whole square, y plus 3 whole square, and radius is twice. So 2 5s are 10. Simplify karo y. X square plus y square minus 4x plus 6. 9 plus 4, 13. 100 minus 13 will be 87. Minus 87. Option B will be the correct answer. Correct? That's all. Scholarship test for your GATE preparation available there. Students, do download the request all of you. Subscribe this channel if you have not done so. And that's all from my side. We'll meet the next session, whatever. I wish you all the best for your exam. Thank you so much for coming to this session. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you, Bata. Thanks everyone. Love you all. Wish you all the best.